another episode of the Nutrition Club. It's provided by Community Health Programs and funded by Berkshire Fallon Health Collaborative. My name is Hannah Patterson, and I'm the culinary nutritionist for this program. So this week, I wanted to show you guys a few ways to keep yourself hydrated during this hot summer. So I figured it'd be a great way to show you some awesome drinks that are low sugar, and it's just a really good replacement for sweet beverages. And I'm sure some of you guys are kind of sick of the taste of just plain old water. So stay tuned for some quick little recipes to use throughout this summer to stay hydrated. Check it out. it's a great way to quench your summer thirst. So also keep in mind, these are really full of so many nutrients, vitamins, and it's just a much better alternative to those sugary beverages out there. And it's a great way to liven your taste buds when you're getting sick of drinking just water. Give yourself a little variety. And also, we have more recipes coming next week, so stay tuned. And for those of you who are not members, you can check to see if you qualify. First, look up and see if you have an A1C greater than 9. See if you are a WIC participant. And also if you have Fallon Health for health insurance. So if you have all those 3, you could qualify. If you're not sure, and you might, you can always just still call us or email us below and take full advantage of all of these awesome food bags you get every week. So cool, from these really great farmers throughout Berkshire County, and also have access to more recipes. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next week.